Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. Y'all, I got 3 little messages I want to tell you about, and then we'll get into the update. Okay, during Hurricane Sally, I did finish up my next book. It's Home-Based Business for Women. This is all jobs that women would be the best at for these businesses that they could open at home. Y'all please check it out. It'll be on my website. It's not there yet. Probably tomorrow or the next day it will be there. But the book is finished. I just got to put it on the website. So I did get something done during the hurricane. I didn't just sit twiddling my thumbs. I want to thank everyone for all your emails checking on me and my wife during the hurricane. It means a lot to me. Of course, I didn't see them until late last night when we got the power back. But you all mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And I will be getting back into making my stimulus videos and my how to make money videos on my other channel. Probably tomorrow I'll be taking off doing it like I used to. I'll have a video on each channel every day. Y'all, I've been gone for, 4 days now? I thought that when I got back I would see that a package had been approved. We was that close. But still, all it is fighting between Polosi and Trump and the Mooch Man. Y'all, November, these people has got to go one way or the other. Polosi and Trump hates each other, so therefore they're not going to get nothing done. The Mooch Man has had a little change of heart. He says whatever Donald Trump goes for, he will back. So that's a step in the right direction. Now let's just hope Donald Trump does the right thing. But at least 2 of them are agreeing on something. Now we just got to get Nancy Pelosi to come down off her high horse and agree with somebody about something. I'm glad I'm not that lady's husband. Y'all, I really thought we would have a stimulus package and stimulus check coming by now. I don't know when it's going to happen. Donald Trump was talking about sending out his own stimulus check. Where did that go? He ain't done that, and I don't even see nobody talking about that right now. But I do know one thing for sure. We will make it through this. With God's grace and His hand on us, we will make it through this. Y'all, my wife is doing so much better. For some reason now her back is hurting real bad. She has been just sitting around with a heating pad for the past couple of days. So if that don't soon clear up, I'm going to take her back to the doctor and see what that is. And all this repair for the house from all the damage, I don't know what's driving me crazy more, the damage or everybody calling, checking on the damage between the contractors and the people that's actually going to do the work and stuff. I don't know what's driving me crazy more. Just be glad when it's over and everything's back to normal. Y'all, I do love you all. Please come back tomorrow. Tomorrow I should have a video for you that you're used to seeing from me on both channels. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Please come back. I love you all. Ciao.